Hi, I'm Sienna Bosch, Textile School Coordinator at Schacht Spindle Company, and today we are going to introduce you to our Wolf floor looms. When choosing a floor loom, there are a few things to think about. What are you looking to weave? What types of patterns do you want to try? How wide does your weaving need to be? For example, if you're interested in scarves, a smaller loom would be perfect, but blankets would require a wider weaving width. Finally, how much space do you have? Will the loom sit in a dedicated studio? Will you need to move it around your home? Or will you take it to workshops? Our Wolf looms are the perfect combination of versatility and portability. They're made with beautiful and sturdy solid maple hardwood that will last a lifetime. The X-frame design allows for you to fold them up and store them easily, even while warped. Whether you're working in a craft room or a corner of your living room, we make a Wolf loom that meets your needs. Today we will walk you through the options and features to help you make the right choice. Let's start with the Baby Wolf, which we've been making since 1982. Here's Deb to show you all about it.
I'm Deb Garish, Project Manager at Schacht, and when my Baby Wolf came home, it was like a whole new world. My previous loom had 4 shafts with a direct tie-up, and that was fine at first, but soon I wanted more. And the Baby Wolf gave me just that. Now I can tie up treadles in combinations. I can weave on 8 shafts. My shuttle zooms across the shuttle race. The Wolf trap can easily hold both of my shuttles. The Baby Wolf has so much potential, it was a little scary at first. I spent a few months weaving familiar 4-shaft structures, getting used to the treadles and tie-ups. By the time I finally worked up the nerve for an 8-shaft project, my loom and I had become best friends. You can get the Baby Wolf with 4 shafts, 8 shafts, or 4 now, 4 later. With the 4 now, 4 later option, you have the space to add another 4 shafts whenever you'd like. The Baby Wolf has a 26-inch weaving width. It's small enough to be portable while giving you the space to make nearly anything. I've recently been weaving double weave blankets for my family on my Baby Wolf. They're 26 inches wide on the loom, but when I take them off and unfold them, suddenly they're 52 inches wide. Back to Sienna to share what she loves about the Mighty Wolf.
The Mighty Wolf joined the pack in 1985. It is our widest option in the Wolf family, with a 36-inch weaving width and a built-in high castle tray. It's available with 8 shafts or 4 now, 4 later. When I was looking for a loom, I wanted something that would grow with me as a weaver. A loom that would stand the test of time and allow me to make anything I dreamed of. The second I sat down to weave on the Mighty Wolf, I fell in love. It was the perfect size for me. Wide enough to make a variety of projects, but also portable enough that I could move it around. My Mighty has lived with me in 3 different homes since I got it in 2019. No matter where I take it, it is a beautiful addition to my space. I've woven everything from towels to sculptural pieces on my Mighty, and I know it will be with me for a lifetime. Our final addition to the Wolf collection are the pups. Here's Cherie to introduce them.
Hi, I'm Cherie Nash, Purchasing Agent at Schacht. With the popularity of our Baby Wolf and Mighty Wolf looms, customers started to ask for a more compact loom. Their requests led us to create the Wolf Pup in 2000. It has all the great features of its siblings packed into an 18-inch weaving width, convenient for smaller spaces. We started the design with lower shipping costs in mind. This means that the loom is lighter and more compact, giving you the portability you're looking for. We kept the X-frame and the height of the bigger looms and made the Wolf Pup more narrow. Its petite size is perfect for classrooms and on-the-go weaving at workshops. We also added convenient extras like attached wheels and a treadle tracker to hold your weaving pattern. Customers kept suggesting new features, so we kept on designing. The Wolf Pup now comes in 2 styles, the Pup LT with 4 shafts and 6 treadles, and the Pup 810 with 8 shafts and 10 treadles. You get big loom power in a compact package. Every Wolf loom comes with tie-up cords, pedals, a reed hook, 2 leaf sticks, and your choice of 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, or 20 dent reed when you order your loom.
The Wolf family includes many accessories so you can get the most out of your loom. For storage space, use a wolf trap or a loom bench, with or without bench bags. For the pups or the baby, a high castle tray is available. I love the convenience of having all the tools I need right at my loom, from shuttles to scissors, hemstitching needles, and more. Make your loom more portable with a wolf stroller. Once you fold up your loom, you can wheel it anywhere, inside or outside. You can even store your wolf loom in a closet between weaving sessions. If you're tall or need more legroom, add a height extender to your wolf loom. This handy feature raises up your entire loom by 2 inches. Wolf rattles come with brackets that fit over the back beam. If you prefer sectional warping, you can get a sectional beam for any wolf. The double back beam is great for supplementary warps. You can tension the warps differently for textured weave structures. Whether you are looking for your first floor loom or to add another one to your collection, Schacht has the loom for you. Contact your favorite Schacht dealer today to get started on your wolf loom journey. Thank you for joining us today. Happy weaving!